The Walmart RetailLink application and its Global Enterprise Mailbox (GEM) configuration can be a challenge, especially if you are configuring an AS2 connection with Walmart for the first time. While the user interface could certainly be more intuitive and user-friendly, the use of the word certificate throughout the AS2 configuration pages could result in some confusion. Let's get started with Walmart RetailLink and Global Enterprise Mailbox configuration for AS2. Log into your Walmart RetailLink account, and select EDB2B under Apps, and you will see your main page for EDI communications with Walmart. Since the AS2 communication is configured under the Global Enterprise Mailbox or GEM, when you visit the GEM, you will be presented with the batch search page as the home. Your main interactions, however, will be through the menu item links at the top. Now, let's look at the first part of AS2 configuration on RetailLink, starting with creating a new mailbox. Once the new mailbox is created, navigate to Document Testing, and then, Survey, and select your vendor account, to be used from the drop-down. For the mailbox, select New Mailbox and click Next Page. Then you will be presented with a few questions, which will allow you to select if you want to proceed with the creation of a new mailbox for AS2 communications. Answer the questions, and click Next Page. Then, you will be taken into a page with a survey, where your intended use is understood. Continue with your answers and click Next Page. Enter your contact information for the new mailbox, when requested. You can leave the already existing information, and proceed to the next page. Finally, select the EDI transactions intended to be performed, over your AS2 connection, and click the Complete button. Now, let's get started with creating your AS2 communications infrastructure on MFTGateway, and sign up for a new trial account. And logging into the MFTGateway console, you will see your main menu bar to the left of your screen. The MFTGateway is a very intuitive application, with an inbox and outbox, and operates similarly to a web-based email service. However, with AS2, you can only send or receive files with pre-configured trading partners. So, you will need to create an AS2 station in your MFTGateway account, and one partner to represent Walmart. If you want to exchange documents with more partners, you will need to create more configurations under partners. However, you can reuse the same AS2 station you create, as separate stations and IDs are not required. To create your AS2 station, click Stations from the menu, and then click New Station. Specify your desired AS2 ID, with which you will be identified by Walmart. At this step, the MFTGateway will be able to generate a certificate to prove your identity, and to be used for encryption and digital signatures during AS2 communications. Usually, AS2 trading partners generate their certificates using the AS2 products they use, like the MFTGateway, and thus, these certificates are rarely countersigned by an external certification authority, although that is an option if your trading partner requires it. Walmart does not require such countersigning by a certification authority. Provide your organization name, email, and other details such as country etc. Make sure to select the key length as 2048, and the validity as 5 years, and remember to also specify a password for the certificate. Walmart will not accept key lengths below 2048, and expects a validity period in the range of 5 years. After the AS2 station is created, go into its partner configuration, and you will be presented with all of the information required for your trading partner to set up their side of the AS2 communications. Download your certificate by clicking the Download as PEM, and then save the file with the file extension .sir. You can also easily email this information to yourself or anyone else using the email feature at the bottom of the page. Let's look at the second part of the AS2 configuration on RetailLink. Simply switch to the RetailLink configuration and navigate to Certificate Management, and then Mailbox Maintenance by clicking the Start link. Then, click the EDI and AS2 link at the top. For the supplier section, enter the AS2 ID you used for your AS2 station, and the URL for the AS2 communications, from the partner configuration of your AS2 station. Note that, specifying a HTTPS URL will result in Walmart also selecting the HTTPS URL for its end, but this is not required, as AS2 protocol automatically encrypts and digitally signs all message payloads. Next, click Certificate Details link, and upload the certificate you saved from the MFTGateway application as a .zir file. Now you will see a successful screen where you will view the certificate you uploaded being correctly assigned to the vendor communications profile. You can now download the Walmart certificate from this screen under the Walmart communications profile by clicking the download icon. Once the previous step is completed, if you navigate back to Mailbox Maintenance, and then EDI and AS2, and then click Certificate Details, you can see the configured digital certificates and the details as given. You can now create a partner in your MFTGateway account to represent Walmart, and use the configuration from RetailLink to populate this information. Use the AS2 ID and the URL we already received, and use the certificate downloaded. To test the RetailLink to AS2 station connectivity, switch back to the RetailLink window to initiate a test message from Walmart by clicking the Certificate Connectivity link. Click Test Connection to request Walmart to send a test AS2 file transmission to your AS2 station. If successful, a detailed report is presented, and if an issue is encountered, the detailed report will help you rectify the issue. This step could be a bit complicated when using HTTPS, as Walmart will need to trust the HTTPS or SSL certificate of the MFTGateway, or any other AS2 application used. It is recommended to use HTTP, for the reasons detailed earlier. You can also see the MDN or message disposition note sent by the remote AS2 station. Congratulations! Your AS2 connection with Walmart is now complete and tested to be successful. Now, in order to look at the received message from the MFTGateway, go to the inbox of the MFTGateway, and you will see the message sent by Walmart. The file sent is usually called sendTest_x12.txt, and contains a message similar to what's shown on the screen. To send a test message to Walmart, click the Compose button at the top left side of the MFTGateway, and select the Walmart partner created, and the AS2 station pair. You can select the file to be sent as the content, and click Send. Once the test message is transmitted, it will appear on the sent box and will show a green color state, and the received MDN. Finally, you can look at the received message from RetailLink by navigating to the mailbox and then batch search. Ensure the proper mailbox is selected on the drop-down, and check the direction to Walmart and then click Search. Feel free to contact us through info@mftgateway.com if you require further details. And stay tuned to www.as2protocol.com for more AS2 updates. Thank you.